Happy Tuesday, everybody. This is Vinny with Excel Distance Calculators, the home of some of the most useful Excel tools for your productivity. As always, my goal is to provide amazing software tool that will save you time and money and make you more efficient. Today, I have a very useful tool that was requested by one of my clients, and the issue that he was having was needing to combine a large list of daily data that he would receive via email. Each file had thousands of rows, and combining them for analysis was too time-consuming and painful. And as such, the Excel file merger was born. Let me show you how it works. First of all, as all of my tools, this tool itself is built in Excel, and it combines the power of Microsoft Excel and VBA scripting to give you a very useful tool. There is nothing to install except for Excel, which you already have on your computer. A couple of things to consider. First, you want to make sure that all your files have identical columns. The sheets can be named differently, but the data columns across the different sheets needs to be consistent. And this is for obvious reason that is the only way to aggregate multiple files. It wouldn't make sense if the columns would be different. Second, you have to make sure that we combine all of our files. All of the files to be combined are in the same directory, in the same place. Once we've made sure of that, let's begin. First, we'll click the button named Select Source Files. We can do this by selecting this button. A window will open and we can choose Select all of the files. You can use the Shift key in your keyboard to click and select all the files that need to be selected. I've tested this with hundreds of files and it's worked like a charm. Once it reads the files, they will appear in the list of the source files. The worksheet names will also appear, which the tool will read from your different files. If you need to change that, the drop-down menu will allow you to choose from the appropriate sheet. Next, we'll select the destination file. If you do not have one, you can create just a blank blank file to paste all your aggregated data. So in this case, we're just going to have just a blank file where we can store all of the files from all of the data from all the different files. Third step, all we have to do is click on the merge button, and just like that, just like magic, all your files will be combined, and your long list of source files will be combined in one destination file, and the tool will automatically save it. And that's it. Now you can open the destination file and we can view the data that has been compiled and aggregated there, and you can use it as you need. Hopefully this tool will help you be just a little bit more efficient today. You can download the tool via the link in the video description. If there are any tools that you might need to make your life just a little bit easier, please don't hesitate to reach out. My phone and email are on the video description as well as a list of some of the best tools that I've built over the years. Till next time.